AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 custom definitions. You can create your own form fields for the definition related to the custom definitions feature, which is found in almost all definitions in WOLVOX ERP. This allows the system to be customized for your purposes. Since the structure is the same in all definitions, it will be appropriate to show it through one definition. For example, open the Custom Definitions tab from the Client Definitions screen. Click the Settings button. On the screen that opens, there are two different definitions named Category and Field. You can think of the Category field as a tab. The records you make in the Category field will appear as tabs in the Client definition. Enter a category name to create a category. If you want, you can make this definition passive later. For this, you need to deactivate the Active button on the screen. You can sort your categories by numbering them from the sorting field. After making your changes, click the Save button to save. Click the plus button to create a new category. If you want to define a field for which category, you can define your field while your category is selected. For this, name your field. If you want, you can make this definition passive later. For this, you need to deactivate the Active button on the screen. You can choose whether to use the filter option as a filtering option in reporting and filtering by activating or deactivating the filter option. You can sort your fields by numbering them from the sorting field. Finally, you can complete your field registration by choosing one of 7 different data types. These field types include text, number, date and time, checkbox, and multiple selections. You can specify how many characters the field length will be in the text type. You can specify the format from the display format field in the integer and decimal number types. You can specify field length in multiple section types and prevent manual entry. Type the selections you want to specify in the options field line by line. For example, type an option and click the Enter button. Then type the other option. You can also make more special selections or conditions by clicking the Script button. For this, press the Script button and click the question mark button to see an example. After making your changes, click the Save button to save. Click the plus button to create a new field. After you've done all your operations, click the OK button.